So here we are. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Soy milk and jelly
almond milk
and the yellow egg-looking thing. Kidney beans and dates and figs and mung bean and some kind of candy, sugar.
No, this one is winter melon. I need the date. This one persimmon.
Persimmon. Okay. And over here, donut. Thai donut. No hole in the center.
Chinese donut.
What you do this morning, Lee?
Put make soy milk.
We're gonna make soy milk this morning.
And also,
I hate these things. So we got to put a strainer sieve in and a grinding stone and a washer.
Another stone. This one a stone.
And a stone for the top.
And then you have to check for the stone. It can go around, okay, and then you can move a little bit for the stone. Too much, a little bit come out.
And what are you doing? Checking to see the stone?
Check for the stone. It can come.
The stone can go around.
Yeah, it go around. And then put this one on top. And then I put the bean. That's when I have to wash the soybean. Okay. Wait a minute. With the water clean. เห็นไหมน้ำนี่ไม่ค่อยไหลแล้วเห็นไหมก็เริ่มตันเหมือนกัน
Washing soybean. These been soaked overnight or something?
No. In Thailand, I have only like 6 hours. It's like this. See? Okay, one time. And then drain the water. The water in. About 4 times.
I rinse them about 4 times so the water's clear. How many kilo of beans is that soybean?
2 kilos.
That's 2 kilos. And it's about a 4-gallon pail, maybe 5-gallon pail.
Oh, by the time the water is also clear. Yeah, like this. Clear and then okay. Okay, done.
And you make charcoal for keeping the soy milk warm under the soy milk.
Right. หลังยิงไฟใกล้ๆเดี๋ยวยิงตรงกลางเลย
And you're getting cheesecloth wet?
Yep.
And that's so you can strain out any chunks or curds or such from the milk.
Water. Put the water overnight. Okay.
And that pail collects the curds or the whey.
Or not make it just too much dirty.
A little water to get everything wet. Beans and water. Guess it must be important how much water you put in with the bean.
7 liters.
7 liters of water to how many kilos of bean?
2 kilos.
2 kilos of bean. 7 liters of water. You put the beans in and you put the water in. Backhand machine kick out the beans. Your bag is not working well. That's the purpose of the plastic, is to try to keep the curds inside the bucket rather than all over the floor. 7 liters of water and the beans will fill this pot. That's a big pot. How many gallons is that pot? Is this?
2 kilos about this one.
Yeah. How many gallons in this big pot? You know?
I'm not sure.
Don't know for sure. It's big. So it's about a quarter of that big pot. 2 kilos of beans. And what do you do with the curd?
Give to the chicken.
You feed it to chickens. It's got no other use, huh? Make some fat chickens.
Yeah, chicken, cow, goats, they like. There's so many company, they like this one. Feed to the chicken.
The curd.
And second time.
We'll go back through the machine again.
Yeah.
take the cheesecloth, gather it so you can strain contents in the cheesecloth.
I have to do like this about 2 times. Done.
We now have soy milk. What you doing now?
We're gonna stand the second time.
Strain through the cheesecloth. Second time.
Yeah.
And how many times do you do that?
2.
Only 2?
3 times to take out all soy
Stage.
bean.
To bring everything to a boil. I'm assuming the boil does several things, along with killing any kind of bacteria that might have been in, on, and around the charcoal's ready to turn off and take out front to put underneath the soy milk. And there's the charcoal in the unit to keep the soybean warm. Remove the pot on top of the coals.
เตามันคิดมาทางนี้มันติดเตา Stop.
Yeah, that's 40 minutes to get that soy milk made and put up front for sale. So what'd you do with the mung bean? Soak it in water?
Soak in the water 3 hours and then steam.
And then steam it. How long you steam it for?
10 minutes.
Lee?
Jelly.
Jelly and red kidney beans and what's that yellow thing?
Back way.
Pak Gwei.
Ah.
And you warm them up with hot water, except the jelly.
Yeah. เดี๋ยวไปอุ่นไอ้นี่เดี๋ยวไปให้มันร้อน
When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Soy milk. And jelly.
เดี๋ยวกูจะทำแอลมอนด์มิลค์
And the yellow egg looking thing. Kidney beans. And dates and figs and mung bean and some kind of candy, sugar.
No, this one is winter melon. I need the date. This one persimmon.
Persimmon. Okay. And over here, donut. Thai donut. No hole in the center.
Chinese donut.